Welcome guys. This is ICSE 10th board paper 2018 mathematics section A. Question number 3 subdivision C. Using a graph paper, draw a histogram for the given distribution showing the number of runs scored by 50 batsmen. Estimate the mode of the data. So the data has been given in the question, that is runs scored is 3000 to 4000, is the number of batsmen will be 4. Similarly 4000 to 5000 it is 18, 5000 to 6000 it is 9, 6000 to 7000 6, 7000 to 8000 7, 8000 to 9000 2, 9000 to 10000 4. This will be the given data. The same data for has been copied here as a tabular column, that is runs scored as well as number of batsmen value. So we have to find actually the mode. So using this data we can consider in the graph paper, that is taking the x-axis as the runs scored values. So this x-axis, this will be the x-axis. In this direction we are taking the runs scored, that is each 1 centimeter will be considered as 2000 runs. Similarly here 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000 and 16,000. So here the scale will be 1 centimeter will be equal to 2000 runs. So according to the y-axis, here the y-axis, that is we are considering in y-axis the number. So here the number of batsmen has been taken, that is for 1 centimeter we have taken 2, here 2, and this one will be 4, this will be 6, and next centimeter will be 8, next will be 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. So these are our readings. So here we can write 2000. So next will be 4000, 6000, 8000, 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, 16,000. So now the graph will be written like this, and next we are supposed to draw the histogram. So now we shall take the first point, that is 3000 to 4000, it will be 4. So here the point will, that is 3000 is this point, that is between 2000 and 4000 we will get the point 3000. So this will be 3000 point, and between up to 4000, that is up to 4000. So this is the 3000 up to 4000, 4 number of batsmen. So here this according to y-axis it is 4. So we can point this as 4. Next up to 4000 means here. So next point 4000 to 5000. So this will be 4000 and up to 5000. So in between point is the 5000. So this is 5000. So up to this point here 18. So here is the value 18. So this will be the 18, and this up to 5000 it is 18. Next similarly 5000 to 6000 it is 9. So next point 5000 to 6000 it is 9. So 5000 is this one up to 6000. So 5000 to 6000. So up to this point it is value 9. Here 8 and 10, in between you will get the value 9. So this point will be 9. Similarly, next will be 6000 to 7000, it is 6. So 6000 to 7000, it is 6. So here the point is 6 up to 7000. Similarly, 7000 to 8000, it is 7. So this is 7000 and this is 8000. So the value is 7. So this point is 7. So we can draw the value here, 7. And next 8000 to 9000, it is 2. So from 8000 to 9000. So the value 2. So here the point will be like this. And next 9000 to 10,000, the point will be 4. So these are the points. So now we can join all these points to get the histogram. So starting from 3000, we are joining here. Next like this. Next we can join the next value. Similarly, these 2 points. Next we can join these 2 points. Next this value. So next up to 6000 is over. Next up to 7000. So we are just joining all the obtained points to get an histogram. So now the histogram is over. So just to find the mode, so we are supposed to consider the highest value of the histogram. So this will be the highest value of the histogram. So these two, that is previous point and the next point, we are supposed to join. So this previous point and the highest point, see, like this we have to make an intersection. And next from here to here, the next point and the highest point, we are supposed to make an intersection. So this will be the intersecting point. And if we extend this value downwards, so like this, so this will be the point, that is 4600. 4600. So this is 4600. So this will be the mode.